Excitement overloaded. Online summer camp. Hello, I am Tuku. Have you ever thought what we are missing these days? In the evening, go to your roof and look up. What will you see? Sky. But just sky, nothing else? Setting sun as well. And maybe few stars. But you just missed one of the best creations of the Almighty, the birds. Explicate the clues and tell me the names of these birds. Number 1. This blackbird is known for its intelligence and for loud, harsh caw. It's a any guesses? A crow. This is the smallest bird. A hummingbird. Number 3. As a tailor stitches clothes, this bird can stitch its nest. It's a tailor bird. Number 4. It has a horny helmet above its beak. It is the only bird which has two neck vertebrae. Any guesses? A hornbill. Next, a flightless bird as well as the biggest bird in the world. An ostrich. Moving ahead. Next, this bird is best known for its beautiful melodious voice. It's a nightingale. It doesn't require any hint. It's a national bird. Without any guesses, it's a peacock. Next is a largely grayish brown European bird. It has two C's and two O's in its name. A cuckoo. Number 9 is known as a bird of prey. Yes, an eagle. This bird feeds on the remains of dead animals. A vulture. Last but not the least, riddle based on this bird. We all must have heard. Yes, a partridge.